Hello, welcome to the fourth day of 30 days code challenge. Today's our topic is intro to conditional statement. Here we are dealing with the conditional statements. So this is our task. Given an integer n, perform the following conditions x. If n is odd, print weird. Okay. If n is even, add in the inclusive range of 2 to 5. Okay. Means lies between 2 to 5 and both are inclusive. Okay. Print not weird. If n is even and in the inclusive range of 6 to 20, again 6 and 20 both are inclusive, print weird. And if n is even and greater than 20, print not weird. So this is our task. We need to code for that. So here you can see that integer n is already taken for us. So we need to code further. Okay. So if n for checking it is even or odd, just modulo of 2, and if the remainder is 0, then it is 0. Okay. If n is even and n is greater than equal to 2 and n is less than equal to 5. Okay, so what we can do is we enclose it in a bracket so that for the sake of our convenience. Okay, what we need to print is system.out.println weird. Okay, weird weird. Now else if n is even and okay, not weird. Okay, this is not weird case, and this is weird. Okay, n is greater than equal to 6 and n is less than equal to 20, then system dot println weird. Okay, if n divided by 2 equal to 0, means if it is even and n is greater than, not equal to, just greater than 20, what we do is print out not weird. And else if n is not equal to 0, weird. So let's try to run this. Okay, compilation fails. Okay, this is capital N, so let's convert it. Now this should do works fine. Yeah, 2 test cases are passed. Let's try to submit the code. Congratulations, our all test cases are passed. Thank you for seeing my video. See you in the next video. Okay, till then, bye, take care.